I have a big ass pinboard here. I don't even wanna. We came to a store that's right by our house. That's so pretty. But we don't know if we're gonna get it there. So my man just got off to see like we should buy it here or go somewhere else. Watch him find the paint and then we don't even like this is not even gonna really be a vlog. I was planning to like vlog when we go to Home Depot because that's where I want to go. But this one's closer, so we'll see. So we'll see how this whole. We're 32 weeks, by the way. Then I've been getting no sleep, so that's why I look dead as fuck. I look like if I'm hungover or like if I'm sick. And I'm kind of sick, but it's more like because I haven't slept. That's why I look like this. That's why it's called like that?
Yeah. But
Wow, you helping? No, like this. Look. See? So, my room is successfully painted. We just hung the curtains and everything. The TV's gonna be hung tomorrow. My bed is the only thing that I clean. So what happened was my man just put everything on the bed. I went out, finished doing some shopping. And then I came back to this. So this is my part to do. He already painted and did everything. Let's just watch this transform because he literally just threw everything on the floor. So we'll see how that goes. But this is where we're at now. Nice clean walls, no more paint on them, drawings or anything. IKEA. Who is it? Hi, who is it?
Me.
Oh, hi, come to my house. Come in.
So,
We came to IKEA to buy the cribs.
How are you?
How are you? Do you want a cup of water? Here you go. We came to buy baby sister's cribs. So we came to Walmart to buy some sheets for them. So I found this thing for the cribs. It looks really cute. Oh, it's a cute pink color too. I like this, so we're gonna get this one. Okay, so far, push this in real quick. This is what we have going on. I gotta find somewhere to put that little thing. And then we're gonna build this today. We already have the swinger. It's another room. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys what I did really quickly because I'm like really short on time. So they are premature. So this is all like premature clothes. These are Eddie's premature clothes because he was premature too. Not as premature as them, but he was still not fit in newborn clothes. So this is Eddie's premature clothes, and then these are like matching stuff. So everything's the same on this side and this side, just so it could be easier for me to grab. So say like, and I put them in the same order. If I want pants for them, same pants, they're all in the same order. And then this second drawer, and I'm recording with my phone, you guys, so if anything, yeah, the second drawer is newborn clothes, newborn and 0 to 3 months clothes. And then this bottom drawer, I have all their diapers up here, and then their bottles, which is right here, some headbands, Q-tips, and just some cloths, and then to burp them. So I have that right there. And then the crib is pretty empty. I have like my little diaper changing little station here, which is her diapers, and then the wipe warmers over there. A lot of these cloths, some baby powder, Desitin, and then baby lotion, and that's it. So that's where we're at right now. So I switched up a few things. I said I was gonna have this inside the crib, but obviously you're not supposed to have anything in the crib, so I just moved it here. Extra mittens just in case. And then I have my breast pump and 2 suction things, and then these are for the pump. And then this, I just have like the creams for like diaper rash or whatever, so I just have that in there. So up here we have the wipe warmer, the Mommy's Bliss, the gripe water. These are a must because for babies, I feel like it's a must just because sometimes newborns do tend to get like a little smelly like in their neck area, so we're just gonna use that for that. And then I have this, like the sound machine, I think that's what it's called. Oh, shit. So it is gonna be like really close to the crib. It comes with the projector too, but you can't see it because it's daytime right now, but I'm on the floor. So but we did end up hanging this mirror because it wasn't hung, so we hung that. And it's just, I just love their little area, to be honest. It's just so pretty. That's basically all, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.